Supposedly, Windows 11 is heavy and too bloated to install on an older PC. I think that's a load of crazy bull, because that's what my dad says in his song. That's crazy bull. Check out the song, Il Toro Impazzito by my dad. Hi, Dad. All right, first thing I do is to check for updates using the Windows Update tool right after installing Windows 11. This should be the first thing you do. Install all the updates. Next thing is privacy and security. I tend to toggle these permissions off, probably 90% of these. Of course, the choice is entirely yours. You'll have to go all through these one by one. I'm not going to show you each one individually. It does take a little bit of time, but as a general rule, I will toggle these to the off setting. All right, Microsoft Edge browser is installed by default. Yeah, you may not like this. It's okay. I have installed Brave, Chrome, and Firefox because I wanted to. I will say that the Brave browser works great in both Windows and Linux, so check out Brave. Of course, I had to record all this. OBS Studio, the quintessential recorder for both Windows and Linux. I've been using this one for quite a few years now. Check it out. It works very well. All right, you should begin to uninstall programs that you don't need. The one program I did install after recording this is Kdenlive, the quintessential video editor, I think, for Linux and also for Windows. This works very well in Windows 11. I did have to fine-tune my display resolution. For some reason, Microsoft or Windows 11 recommended a lower resolution. I'm not exactly sure why. I obviously chose the highest setting. And yeah, you may want to check that. This is actually the first thing I did because it was just all wrong. So, all right, as I mentioned, you should begin here to uninstall any apps that you don't need. Most of the time, I don't need every single app that is pre-installed in Windows 11. Of course, that goes for any Linux distribution. Also, you can install it here, right-click on Install on the main menu, or go into the settings and the add and remove programs. Again, this shouldn't take too long, but once again, there are plenty of apps installed, I believe, that you do not need. The disk cleanup tool, the built-in disk cleanup tool, marvelous little handy utility. This will help restore some storage space from downloaded update files, or what Microsoft calls optimization files that are no longer needed. Now, this may take a little bit of time. It's perfectly normal, but check out the disk cleanup utility in Windows 11. And finally, if you still have a hard disk drive, I have an SSD, you should defragment your drive. This here is telling me to optimize my SSD. I've never done the optimization procedure for an SSD. Maybe I should. I've heard different things about this. Yeah, I don't tweak or customize anything in my SSD on my machines. But what do you guys think about all this? That's it. Windows 11. Dare I say it feels lightweight on machines that are at least 9 years old. It works pretty good. Let me know what you guys think about all this. Take care. Catch you on the next one.